disconnect back here. Here's your ignition coil back here. The first thing we'll do is unplug the coil 6 right on this wire. And then I'm gonna go here. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we got our last bolt. This down and we'll be right back. All right, guys, and you can see our spark plug wires up under there, so we gotta move. And you know, if you can't, guys, you know, I'm gonna try to.
Like all spark plugs the same?
No, some spark plugs are. All right, guys, here we go. Now to prepare the plugs. Now check this out. My bearings are where I'm at here, and be careful, guys. Do not push this.
We're doing spark plugs.
And I'm looking to push it down till I hear it clicks onto the spark plug. It might not close up, and then you're gonna have a misfire. So make sure that is not closed. All right, I have to use our 2 extensions. That's all I have to do. All right, guys. One day we're gonna be doing valve cover gaskets on this. Now let's take our coil pack